So today's video is an unboxing video of some new camera gear that have arrived at the studio. It's the Sony A7 IV full frame camera and it's the 24mm 1.4 prime lens. I'm going to unbox these today, just show you a little bit what's inside, what you can expect to get if you decide to buy these. I'm not going to give a review, that's for another video. Let's just open the box and see what's inside. So bear in mind I'm recording this on a Logitech webcam, nothing wrong with that, it is what it is. So we have some paper, USB-A to USB-C cable, some warranty information and a manual, some power cables. What's this? Never seen this before. I think I'm going to throw this away. So this is the strap, of course. So this is the kit lens, 2870. And here is the camera body. Looks like this. Seems fine. And the rest is probably battery inside here. Not really sure what this is, but it's 220 volt in here and USB-A here. This is actually what I'm most excited about. It's the 1.4 24mm prime lens. I used Nikon systems before. If you have been following me on my channel, you may have seen a few videos where I talk about the Nikon D800. I think I had the Nikon system with prime lenses, and I used them in Norway where I live. I drove up to Lofoten and I used the camera there. I was really happy with that setup. It's a little bit more cumbersome, of course, to use primes because you can't zoom, but I don't really mind that. Let's just see what's inside here. I guess we know what's inside, but we can take a look. It's an unboxing. I know I'm like 15 years late for unboxing videos, but hey, I'm a pretty slow guy, so that's what you have. So it comes in this bag with wrapped in plastic, and there's some manuals and things below here. I think we don't need that, do we? So here we have it, 24mm 1.4 prime lens. I'm going to use it for the Sony A7 IV. It feels sturdy. Up until now I used the Fujifilm X-T3 camera for all of my YouTube videos, and I think that was a really good camera, but there are some quality of life things I think I want with the Sony system instead. Nothing really wrong with the image quality on the X-T3. I want a camera again where I can shoot video and where I can use it as a photo camera, and again I think that the A7 IV may just fit that role. Before I had the X-T3 I also used the Nikon D800 camera just for photography. I tried to use it for YouTube, but it could probably work, but there are some limitations here and there also for using that type of camera for video. Maybe not the best unboxing video you have seen in your life, but this is what you get when you watch my YouTube channel, and you probably have seen 1,000 unboxing videos of this camera as well. I'm probably not the first one, but I just wanted to show some of the gear I bought I'm going to use for this YouTube channel moving forward. I haven't tried it myself yet. I just have read reviews on online and seen videos and things like that myself, but I have always been interested in photography. As I said earlier, I had the Nikon D800, I had some prime lenses to that. I was really happy with that system, but it wasn't really that good for video. So that's one of the reasons I got the A7 IV, because it's kind of a Swiss Army knife if you do both photography and video. There are some drawbacks with the video. It won't record in 4K 60p without cropping the image. But I don't really think that's going to be a problem with this lens either way. And either way, I'm not really recording 60 FPS that much. Maybe if I do some B-roll on the synthesizers behind me here or something like that. But that's mainly it. I hope you liked this unboxing video. I have another video planned where I'm probably going to replace an iPhone screen. So that's going to be filmed with this camera, I think. So if you like to see that, you are welcome to follow my channel. And now I think I have to make some music to pay for all of this.